Friday, March 10th. Threatening a massive blizzard later this afternoon, overnight, into all day tomorrow, which it seems most of the world is, northern hemisphere is getting. We're gonna go over and just prepare. You can see it coming. Get out of the way! Come on! Come on! Get him!
Yeah, on the verge of getting stuck sometimes.
It's just rough. What you think? Looking rather furry. That's good. Now I'll try and get the ewes a bit of barley. If this storm hits, and it's going to be overnight, the winds are going to be even stronger than they are now, and it's going to be very awful outside. So we're going to get some bales up to here. I'm rebedding the barn, and they're going to need to be able to get out and eat in relative comfort. So that's the job for this morning, is to get some access to feed for later on. And they've got an energy tub there, which is good. You can see it coming. Isn't that right, girls? Looking rather furry. They've gone out there. That's good. Yes. All right. I think just over the gate, maybe. It's just rough. Holy smokes. I mean, there's been hardly any snow since the last time we were down here, and oh my goodness. Yeah, well, now it's going to come from the east, right? So this is just going to fill in like the blazes. Yeah, that's quite the thing. Hey, Clooney. What you think? What you think, mister?
Ideally, where do you want the bale?
Right here. So I think from the yard. Oh, I didn't keep an eye on my rams. They'll have a little bit of a windbreak here. Okay, we'll see if my argument... I seem to have won the argument, but did I? We'll see if physics works. Fail, fail, fail. What you doing, Bo? Okay, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Come on. Come on. Get out. Man, it's just a nightmare now. Okay, guys, get out of here. Get out. Come on. Come on. Out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Out. Oi. Okay, I might have to push it. Okay, drop it. Yes! That's better. That's it. That'll do. And you have to go through a couple winters to learn. You back into your parking space with your snow clearing tractor so you can get out. Morning prep is over. Storm prep is done. I just got to re-straw the barn. Finish that up. And the winds are blowing already. But you can see to the south, the cloud bank, they're going to start rolling in throughout the afternoon. So how was driving the tractor this morning?
Good, it's running well. Some pretty deep snow there, so it's on the verge of getting stuck sometimes, but not really. I had to plough all the way through, all the way up to the bale yard, which was interesting.
Yeah, and there hasn't been that much snowfall. So yeah, and we got our bales in for our girls and our boys.
3 hungry dogs here.
3 hungry dogs going. Come on, stop yapping. Oh, I'm not even seeing the dogs.
Okay.
Come on, you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Breakfast time.
We'll see how it goes throughout the day. By nighttime, it'll be a totally different planet.